Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of dx divided by 2 times square root of x plus 3 plus x. Okay, so to solve this integral, I first define square root of x plus 3 as u. Therefore, x plus 3 will be equal to u2, therefore x will be equal to u2 minus 3, and also dx will be equal to 2u du. Okay, so now all you need to do, you need to substitute basically these three expressions into this integral, and if you do that, you can rewrite this integral as, instead of dx, I simply write 2u du. Okay, and therefore here will be equal to 2, and instead of 2 times square root of x plus 3, I write 2u, because square root of x plus 3 is u, plus x, and x is equal to u2 minus 3, u2 minus 3. Okay, and so this is a rational function, 2u divided by u2 plus 2u minus 3. To take this integral, you need to first express this rational function by the partial function. Okay, and this rational function, that is 2u divided by u2 plus 2u minus 3, you can rewrite it as 3 divided by 2 times 1 divided by u plus 3 plus 1 divided by 2 times 1 divided by u minus 1. Okay, so if it is not clear for you how to basically express this rational function by partial functions, write from in the comment section, and I will explain for you how to do that. Okay, in any case, the integral of this term, therefore will be equal to the integral of first term plus the integral of the second term. Okay, therefore this integral will be equal to integral of 3 divided by 2 is constant, so I take it out of the integral. 3 divided by 2 times integral of du divided by u plus 3 plus 1 divided by 2 is a constant, integral of du divided by u minus 1. Okay, from table of integral, you know that the integral of du divided by u plus 3 will be equal to ln u plus 3, and the integral of du divided by u minus 1 will be equal to ln u minus 1. So basically this one will be equal to 3 divided by 2 ln u plus 3 plus 1 divided by 2 ln u minus 1 plus c, which is the constant of the integral. Okay, so all you need to do here is to substitute this parameter u with the definition of u, which is equal to square root of x plus 3. Okay, so therefore this one will be equal to 3 divided by 2 ln, instead of u, I write square root of x plus 3 plus 1 divided by 2 ln, instead of u, I write square root of x plus 3 minus 1 plus c, which is the constant of the integral. And that is the solution to our integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe into this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.